Okay, so the 21st of July. Got home a little bit early. Went biking. I've been biking for an hour now, and I've 1 mile short of 20 miles. You can see the sun is beating down on me. It's 100 degrees right now, man. I'm at 19.38 miles. It's incredible how the sun beating down on you takes a toll on your endurance. Well, when I hit 20 miles, I have one more lap to go, so about 21 miles, I'm gonna stop. It's incredible. Okay, so it's 22 miles right now. I'm gonna go tune myself in. That was my okay. So I rode 1 hour and 12 minutes. And I made 22.18 miles. Right now it's 98 degrees. My heartbeat is 116 beats per minute. And my tongue feels like a desert. It's dry. So I average 18.3 miles a day. It's amazing how riding in the sun beats you down. And top speed 23.5, heartbeat 136. Let's see. My average 18.3, heartbeat 124. Yeah, so it's amazing how my tongue is so parched and it's so hot. Yeah, I'll show you my skin. Sweating through my skin. Incredible. Good too.